Welcome to One Person here. My name is Dr. R. Parthiban, Assistant Professor of Economics, AVS College of Arts and Science. My topic is Principles of Marketing. Market and marketing. Market meaning, market the term organized from Latin word markets meaning the marketplace which derived from mercari meaning to trade, mercury to derived from merc meaning merchandise. In simple terms, market refers to a particular place where goods are purchased and sold. In management and economics, market is any region in which buyers and sellers are brought into contact with one another and facilitate price fixation. Meaning of market. Market is a place where sellers and buyers come together to enter into buying and selling transactions. Meaning of market. A market is defined as a sum total of all the buyers and sellers in area or religion under considerations. The area may be the earth or countries, religions, states or cities. The value, cost and price of items traded as a purposes of supply and demand in a market. The market may be physical entity or many or virtual, it may be local or global, perfect and imperfect market. Meaning of marketing. Marketing is the process of planning and executing the conceptions, pricing, promotions and distributions of ideas, goods and services to create exchange that satisfy individual and organizational goals. Marketing is a concept of compared to market. It is an organized trading process. It includes sales and various activities for exchange of goods and services. Definitions of marketing. According to the American Marketing Associations, marketing is an organization's functions and a set of process of creating, communicating and delivering value to customers and for managing customers' relationship in ways that benefit the organizations and its stakeholders. According to the American Marketing Association, defined as performing the business activities that direct the flow of goods and services from producers to consumer or users. According to Paul Marker, marketing defines as the creations and delivery of a standard of living to society. The importance of marketing. Number one is it helps in earning increased profit. Number two, marketing helps in planning and decision making. Number three, marketing is the sources of new ideas. Number four, marketing provides goods to ultimate consumers. Number five, marketing improves the standard of living of society. Number six, it provides employment. Number seven, it stabilizes economic conditions. Number eight, marketing increasing national income. Three modern concept of marketing. Number one is productions. Number two, product. Number three, selling. Number four, marketing. Number four, consumer concept. Number six, societal marketing concepts. Features of marketing. Customer focus, customer satisfactions, objective oriented, marketing in both art and science, continuous and regular activity, exchange process, marketing environment, marketing mix, integrated approach, commercial and non-commercial organizations, precedes and follows productions. Market and marketing. It is a comparisons. Market is the narrower concept. Marketing means is the much wider concept than market. Market is the point of interactions between buyers and sellers. Marketing is the social process by which human needs are identified and equivalently satisfied. Market is a setup or a place or a point of interactions. Marketing is a process involving roughly activities. Number four, market can be of many types based on the goods traded, quantity traded, geographical locations, etc. Marketing philosophy is generally uniform for any type of goods or services. Global marketing. Meaning of global marketing. Global marketing involves planning, producing, placing and promoting a business, products or services in the worldwide market. There are significantly more to global marketing than simply selling goods and services internationally. It is the process of conceptually and subsequently conveying a final product or services globally. The company aims to reach the international marketing community. Benefits of global marketing. First, it can improve the effectiveness of your product or services. This is because of more you grow, the more you learn, and the faster you learn, you become the more effective at producing new product or services offerings. Number second, you are able to have a strong competitive advantages. It is easy and help for companies to competing in the local market, but there are very few companies who can do so on the worldwide arena. Hence, if you can complete the worldwide market and your competitors cannot, you have become a strong force in your industry. Number third, you increase consumers' awareness of your brand and product or services. Through the internet, customers can keep track of your progress in the worldwide. Finally, global marketing can reduce your cost and increase your savings. In focusing on the other markets, you can attain economies of scale and a range of by standardizing your processes. Not to mention the savings that you get, which you will leverage the internet. Global marketing concept. Defining global marketing, globalizations, domestic marketing, export marketing, international marketing, multinational and multi-domestic marketing, international trade, international business, targeting demographics. E-marketing. E-marketing is the electronic marketing, or also known as internet marketing, web marketing, digital marketing, or online marketing. E-marketing is the process of marketing or product or services using the internet. E-marketing not only includes marketing on the internet, but also includes marketing done via email and wireless media. It uses the range of technologies to help connect business to their customers. According to e-marketing defined as achieving marketing objectives through use of electronic communications objectives. According to a marketing defined as an external perspective of how the internet can be used in conjunctions with the traditional media to acquire and deliver services to customers. Advantages of e-marketing. Certain advantages of marketing are discussed as below. Number one is a much better return on investment from than that of traditional marketing. Number two, e-marketing means reduced marketing campaign cost as the marketing is done through the internet. Number three, fast result of the campaign. Number four, easy monitoring through the web tracking capabilities helps make e-marketing highly efficient. Number five, using e-marketing viral content can be made, which helps in viral marketing. Telemarketing. Meaning of telemarketing. Telemarketing is the process of using the telephone to generate leads, make sales, or gather marketing information. Telemarketing can be particularly valuable tool for small business in that it saves time and money as compared with personal selling, but offers many of the same benefits in terms of direct contact with the customers. Types of telemarketing. Number one is inbound telemarketing. Number two, outbound telemarketing. Advantages of telemarketing: human interaction, small business, customer services, reduces cost, flexibility, response measurement. Disadvantages of telemarketing: an increasing number of people have become averse to telemarketing. Number two, No visual contact with the customers is possible. Number 3, more people are using technology to screen out unwanted callers, particularly telemarketers. Number 4, government is implementing touch measures to the scrub unstoppages telemarketers. Number 5 is hiring an outside firm to the telemarketing. There is lesser control in the process, given that the people doing the calls are not your employees. A telephone conversations have very short memory. Pre-purchase inspections of goods not possible. It can be extremely expensive, particularly if telemarketing is outsourced to an outside firm. Online marketing. Meaning of online marketing. Online marketing is a set of tools and methodologies used for promoting products and services through the internet. Online marketing includes the wider range of marketing elements than traditional business marketing due to extra channel and marketing mechanisms available on the internet. Online marketing advantages: low cost, flexibility and convenience, analytics. Number 4, multiple options. Number 5, demographic targeting. Low cost means large audience and reachable at the fractions of traditional advertising budget, allowing business to create appearing consumer ads. Flexibility and convenience, analytics, multiple options, demographic target. Okay, thank you.